Before you even sit down at the negotiation table, take a hard look inward at your organization's cloud requirements. Estimate how much OCI capacity you actually need based on current workloads and future plans. For example, evaluate the compute power, storage, and network resources your projects will consume. Map out anticipated growth. Are you planning a major expansion or new deployments in the next 12 to 24 months? By forecasting usage and growth, you avoid the common pitfall of overcommitting to more cloud credits than you'll use. Also, review any existing Oracle contracts or on-premises licenses you have. These can sometimes be leveraged for better cloud terms. The goal here is to go into negotiations armed with data on what you truly need, so Oracle can't easily upsell you excess capacity. CTA. Don't skip this homework. Knowing your needs gives you confidence and credibility, a critical first step before talking numbers with Oracle.